Hey guys, what's up? So today we should top best straight sheets, 5, 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first sheet is called Media Bar 14, control your music right from the home bar. It has been rewritten for iOS 14. It's rewritten from the regular Media Bar tweak. Next sheet is called libhooker configurator, configuration utility for libhooker. Next sheet is called libhooker support and compatibility layer to use cool start tweaks used on substrate or substitute based bootstraps. Next sheet is called 3D tools and make your 3D touch menu a powerhouse. Next is called libhooker slash and then shim. Shim for those who can't use a real libhooker. This is called CPU tool. Basically, it's a first CPU or GPU optimization underclocking tweak for iOS. Next is called 1.1 your device your way. Next is called Wraith or Wrath, and it's a tweak for Snapchat. You have these features for Snapchat. You guys could easily get banned using this tweak, so just be careful and mindful of that. I would not recommend using this tweak, especially not on your on your main Snapchat account. Next is called floaty tab, and make your tab bar floaty, I guess. So, inspired by Pinterest app. If you're like me, don't like the boring default iOS UI tab bar, look for something else, change how it looks, and come in the right place. It lets you change the tab bar style and give a modern look. She's called Mandy and override dark or light mode by apps. This is called Cruts, and run any command as root cruts user bin dpkg install com.creatorcodin.cruts. This is called Stelle. Set a subreddit's hot post as your wallpaper. This is called Court, brings a new look to notifications. Notifications are now rounded and more compact. This is called PoJav Launcher, iOS Dev, Minecraft Java Edition Launcher for iOS. And last week's called Dark Maps, force dark mode in Apple Maps. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Catch you next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.